Hi there, Laura here. Today I am going to do this goldy, bronzy kind of look for Christmas. And I was inspired by a particular colour in one of my palettes. This is the Milani Must Have Metallics. And I really love, hang on, there's a lot of eyeshadow on there. I really love this colour here. So it's just a beautiful coppery burgundy kind of colour, and it sort of shifts burgundy and gold, and it's just beautiful. That's why I brought that palette, because I just love that colour. And I have got the Milani Bold Obsessions palette as well. It's got a few fingerprints on it because I've been using it. It doesn't have that same colour. It's got a similar colour like this in a matte, which is more just a burgundy colour, but it doesn't have that really shiny one. So I'm really happy to have that, and that's what inspired me today. But I also wanted to make it Christmassy, so I added in the gold, and I used my Makeup Revolution Tammix Tropical Paradise palette. And so I used a couple of colours out of here. I used this gold here and this purple, which, if I can find where the name sheet fell down, I'll tell you what they were called. So it was called, the purple one was called Carnival, and the gold one was called Golden Sands. It's got one of these sheets on it, so I'll have to keep the sheet so I can remember what the different colours were called. And so I did my usual today and started recording, and I actually nearly got to the end of this look and realised I hadn't put my microphone on. So there might be lots of fast forwarding through this one again. I'm not going to do it again because I'm running out of days to film. So let's go and see how I did this look. As usual, we're using multiple palettes. So I'm going to go in with a transition shade first. I'm going to go in with this one here, which is called Sweet as Honey. It's out of the Bold Obsessions Milani palette. I'm going to put that into the crease. And I'm also going to go into my Nudes 4 palette by BYS. I'm going to go into Peach Baby, which is this peachy colour here. I'm going to go into my little crease brush, Instapot crease brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to go into this colour here, which is called Red Between the Lines. I'll go in with my Real Techniques XS brush, and I'm going to go into the dark brown in this palette, which is called Little Black Dress. Just drop that on the floor. It's alright, no harm done, not even the cover broken. The hinges on the cover often break when you do stuff like that, but it's fine. So I'm going to put that just in this little bit here. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro-Conceal, and this one is called Highlighter, so it's like a white one, and I'm going to go in with a flat brush. now I'm going to go into my Must Have Metallics. I'm going to go into that middle colour first. I'm just going to use a little flat brush. I can't remember where I got this one from. And I'm going to go into this colour here, which is the colour that I really like. It doesn't scream Christmas to me, which is why I'm not using it all over the place. I'm going to put some gold in this look. I'm going to go into my Tammix Revolution palette, and I'm going to go into that gold there. So I want a nice bright dark gold, really yellowy gold for this look. I think I've been saying that this brush here is my favourite flat brush, but I think I've been calling it an elf brush, and I haven't been able to find it in the elf section. That's because it's not an elf brush, it's a BYS concealer brush. So if I look in the right section, I might actually find another one, because I really like this for packing on shadows on my lid. It just has just the right amount of bristle that's quite thin, and it's got just the right amount of movement, and it picks up product really well, and I just really like it. So I will have to look in the BYS section instead of looking in the elf section, and I might actually be able to find another one. I'm just going back in with a little bit of that coppery colour, and then I'm going to go back into the gold a little bit, because I'm just trying to balance out the colour of it. It's not working. I just need more gold. I'm going to go into a smaller flat brush. This is Real Techniques Detailer brush, and I'm going to go in with this colour here, this light shimmery cream, and that's going to go on the inner corner. I think I'll extend a bit more gold up. And then with that same brush, I'm going to go into this gold colour here, which isn't as yellow. Obviously in dropping mode today, and I keep really dropping onto the palette. And I'm going to transition that gold into that cream, so you're getting a kind of a gradient going across the eye. Go back into the cream and just make sure we've got a good, no harsh lines, and it's all blended nicely. And I want a darker shimmery brown. I want this shimmery brown here out of the Tammix Revolution palette. And I'm just going to put it on that outer corner, because I've decided my whole lid's going to be shimmery today. I'm going to close a few palettes so I don't drop things in them. So that's what it's looking like so far. I need to make this look finished right now, even though it's not finished, because I have to go and take my daughter to the hairdresser. And so I'm going to throw on some mascara, take my daughter to the hairdresser, come back, and then I'll finish the look. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back, ready to finish the rest of my eye makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that peach baby colour out of my BYS palette. I'm going to run that along the bottom of my lash line. And then I'm going to go into my Milani Metallics palette and get this colour here. And I'm going to use this cream one to do my inner corner. And I'm going to get my Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner and I'm going to tighten up. I'm going to get a bit of my purple eyeliner. This is a Revlon Photo Ready Kajal in violet. And I'm going to go into my Revolution Tammix palette and so I can never get the thing around the right way to figure out what the names are called. Going to go into Carnival, which is this one here. Just to deepen up that line a little bit. And the purple goes well with that coppery colour. A little bit of that here as well. I haven't got my microphone on. I haven't had my microphone on the whole time, have I? I wonder if you would have heard anything that I've said. I'm hopeless at remembering to put my microphone on. I need a checklist, don't I? So I can check that I've actually done everything before I start. So that's what it's looking like so far. Got a little bit of fallout there. Just get a clean fluffy brush, sweep that away. And I'll go and get my mascara, and I feel like I probably will need a bit more blush and some highlighter and some lipstick, so I'll go and get that organised and come back. Okay, I think I want to add a little bit of cream to my brow bone as well, so I'm going to use my BYS Nudes palette and I'm going to use the cream out of there. So I'm not doing a wing or anything today. The only eyeliner I've got on is that little bit of purple and tight lining. I'm not putting any eyeliner on the top today. And my mascara. I'll use my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic mascara. Put that on. Then I'm going to use my BYS Super Slim. So today, when you're watching this, it will be the 23rd of December. And tomorrow will be, no it's not, it'll be the 22nd of December, no? Yes, what day is Christmas? 25th, man. No, so when you watch this, it'll be the 23rd, and it'll be my last makeup look for the 12 days of Christmas. I've just blobbed mascara in my face. And tomorrow will be my last Christmas card. So it's gone really, really fast. And I've really enjoyed coming up with lots of different makeup looks and experimenting and playing with my makeup. And I've enjoyed making my little Christmas cards as well. Just fixing that up a bit where I took the mascara off. And now I'm going to put just a touch extra blush on. This is my NATO blush in Peach Glow, because I find once I've done my eye look I very often need a little bit more blush because it never looks like I've put enough on otherwise. And I'm going to go into my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold because it's a very goldy, shiny look, so I think a gold highlighter will be useful. Will fit in well. Put a bit of that on there. I set my face with a bit of the Milani Dewy setting spray, and I'm feeling very dewy now. I've been outside and running around a bit. And I'm going to go into my Highlighter 2 palette from BYS and use that Whisper shade, which is a lighter gold. And just put that on the tops. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. Eye Cupid's bow. It's a very goldy Christmas look today. And I'm going to go in and use my Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner in Tiramisu, which looks like this. Look, I even got prepared and I sharpened all my pencils before I started today. And I'm going to use my Daringly Nude Matte Maybelline lipstick, which is just a nude brown. And here's the finished look. So if you just watch my makeup tutorials, this will be the last makeup tutorial I do before Christmas Day, so I hope you all have a really Merry Christmas and that you've enjoyed lots of these makeup looks and have a happy and healthy Christmas break with your family. So bye everyone.